What is up, guys? Today I want to tell you about this really awesome evaporative air cooler. Now, the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, as we take a first look at the unit here, as you can see, it's not necessarily all that big. It's not one of those small little desktop ones that really don't do anything, and it's not one of those really super massive ones that's hard to move around. It kind of sits in the middle, which I definitely like, which means that it's easy to kind of move around, but on top of that, it's going to give you really good cooling capacity as well. It does come with these casters on the bottom, so you can, easily go ahead and roll it around. You have to install those, but I would definitely recommend it. This moves around really easily on something like a hardwood floor. But let's go ahead and get this filled up and show you how it works. Now, as far as getting set up and getting this thing running, you need to fill it up with water. And there's actually two different places to fill it up with water. So right here on the top, you can see that there is this compartment, and you can just simply fill this with water. You can also use the included ice packs, which I'll show you. But as you can see, there's not a ton of space here. This is only if you're going to be using this cooler for a short amount of time. Now I'm at the back, and here you can see the second water compartment down here. As you can see, we have min and max fill lines as well. So if you are filling this one up, you want to make sure it is at least at the min line when you fill it up. Also, here are the included little ice packs here. So you actually get 4 of these. You fill them, there's like some powder in there. You fill them up with water, you put them in the freezer, and they end up being frozen like this. So there's 4 total included. So you can go ahead and put those in the bottom here as well. So simply unlock this and just open it up a little bit. We put these down in here. So we have those in there. Just make sure it's in there. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and fill this up with water. Now that we have the bottom tank filled here, and of course our ice packs in there, let's go ahead and turn this on. All of our controls are right here on the top, and these are all touch sensitive controls. So to get started, we just hit the on off button, and the unit will go ahead and turn on. Now there are 3 different speeds which are indicated here. So we're on F1, we can go to F2, and we can go to F3, which is the highest speed. And then as far as your air, you can move these to direct the air where you want. The next thing is mode. So there's 3 different modes. So we're on normal mode, then we go to natural mode, and then a sleep mode, go back to normal. We also have a timer, so you can set the timer on this to however many hours that you want, which is really nice. So you can go ahead and do that. There's also a swing. So what that basically means is that it's going to oscillate and move the air around as it comes out, which is definitely nice. If you want to really fill a whole room with air, you have that swing mode, and it is indicated right here on the display as well. And then we have cool. So if you want to turn the cool on, that's going to give you the best cooling performance. So you have that there. And then there is a lock button at the top too if you want to lock the controls down. But really easy to go ahead and use this. Another thing I didn't mention is that this does come with a remote. So we can easily go ahead and turn this on, no problem. Let me go ahead and turn it off, but really easy to use this remote and super convenient to have if you don't want to get up and, go ahead and turn this on. But this has been a game changer for me, especially here in this office, especially in the summertime. This office gets extremely hot, and I live in a complex where they don't let you put air conditioners in the windows. And even my AC in here is just not enough. I have a lot of computer stuff going on. So having something like this that I don't have to put an extension out to the window or anything like that is ultra convenient. And this is really cool as well. It really does the job, which I definitely like. So if you are looking for an evaporative air cooler, this is one that I would definitely recommend.